Okay, I'm about to brave the outdoors. Hey, Lauren.
Hey!
Okay. We just found out from Lauren, we just passed McDonald's next door. It's closed. Gee, I wonder why. I wonder why. Any guesses? Yes, McDonald's is closed because there's a blizzard out here. I'm out here in the snow and the wind, grabbing some video, documenting this historic snowstorm. I mean, I gotta tell you, I don't know if I'll ever be in a storm like this ever again. I don't know. But outside, this is Broadcast House, WUSA TV9 in Washington, D.C. You can tell by the flag, the wind's whipping up. You can see the trees and the branches swaying in the wind. Take a look at that over there. That's incredible. Look at that. All that snow around here just drifting. Now, look what you're looking at here. Can you see? Probably not. That's the post office across the street. It goes in and out of visibility due to the snow. This is just an amazing snowstorm. The snow should be dying down, but the wind will be still whipping up the snow, creating blizzard conditions until at least 7 p.m.